Hey everybody, just a quick shop video showing one of the stations I've been working hard to get set up here in the new home shop. This is where routing and orbital sanding is happening. And one thing I learned at my MOA was even though it costs a lot of money and takes up space, it's great to have dedicated tooling that does specific jobs. Every time you have to adjust a router or change a bit or bearing, there's a possibility that you're going to mess it up and it takes a long time. So if you can outlay extra money for extra routers and keep them set up, it can be a great way to get accuracy and speed. So on the left side here, this is the jig for routing the end of the necks for banjo rims, and above it is the two routers on little sleds that ride on this pin to do that job. Next to it is two little more wooden sleds for different size banjo rims. In the future, it would make sense to have double the set of routers, but not today. These are for binding on ukuleles, top binding, top purfling, back binding, back purfling. They're set. I'd hopefully don't touch them. Flush trim router to do all kinds of jobs. Over here is the dovetail router for ukuleles. There's one insert for the routing the neck, one for routing the body, male and female so to speak. I could see making a second one for the female and tucking it under the bench as needed. And then we've got my Mirka orbital sander connected to the little vacuum down there. This is a downdraft table, and it gets its suction from the dust collector, which comes into the back of here. And this dust collection has a quick fitting to go on the back of the dovetail router when needed. So, yes, I love working by hand, but sometimes when it comes to these jobs, it's nice to have the accuracy and speed. Yes, it costs a lot of money to set up five of these little routers with all the bases and the bits and bearings and all that, but I make it back every day by getting more done. So yeah, stay tuned for more shop updates.